This is my workshop table, and it is a total disaster because it's me and 4 kids all trying to use it at the same time. So I need to make my kids some tables. And I'm thinking, well, I have 4 kids here. I'm thinking 2 big tables, and 2 kids can share, and 2 kids can share. And I've already prepped 8 boards. Oh, get out of the way. Yeah, 8 of these boards, almost as tall as me. I think that's like 8 inches wide. So these will be the table tops. I want them to be kind of like this table, so they'll also have table bottoms. So I need to find some bottoms. And I'm gonna use pipes for legs, because that prevents any, bugs from nothing's gonna eat the pipe legs. And I think I'll use stainless steel for those, which is even nicer than my table. So right now, I need to figure out the bottom shelf and plane some of those boards because the sun is out and I can run my planer. And I've got this wood, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I need like 8 of these. I just planed all the extra boards I had lying around that didn't have jobs. This is borax and water. I don't know how much borax, like a good handful in there, And it's kind of green just because the water was reused from something, doesn't matter. But normally it would be totally clear when the borax is dissolved. Okay, this is pretty hot. It probably won't burn you, but it's pretty hot, just be careful. And now you want to do all of these boards. And start with the ones on here. Okay. The bottom boards I've already done. I did those like weeks ago.
Can I do it?
Yeah, go for it.
Can I do some too?
Yeah. I'm only using one brush for this though. I don't want to get more than one brush dirty. It's water and borax. So make sure you get the sides, the ends, flip them over, get everything. And it doesn't matter if you drip on the boards below because that'll just help protect them too. Okay, all these boards. When she gets tired, just pass on to the next kid. All right, fine, go get another paintbrush, but you have to rinse them off after, okay? When I built my first house in Vermont, I sat in the store, or I sat in the parking lot of a hardware store doing this for like 2 hours to get the pipes short enough to fit in my car. This is so excessive. The coolness of these tables is gonna be crazy. Good. Alright. These legs attached to this board, and this getting bolted in is what will prevent these legs from wobbling that way. And I was thinking about cutting a groove into the wood so this would really be secure, but I think I'm being excessive. I think I can just put the 2 bolts in. I wonder if I get this lined up right where it's supposed to go. Kind of smushed around a little. Oh, totally left some circles. Nice. Long enough, barely. All right, see if you can line up some holes. Which one? This one first?
Yeah.
Is that it?
Yeah.
See if you can get that one in. Is that one in too?
Yeah.
Nice. Oh, I actually got it separate. You should be doing this.
I can do this.
Well, let me finish this one. I started. You can do all the rest. I'm gonna drill the holes because they have to be pretty exact to line up with the other ones. Check that. Does it wobble?
No.
Good.
Fancy table legs.
Oh, nice and strong. Yeah. Make sure this is 90 degrees. This is 90 degrees, right? But you want the woods to be 90 degrees. So get them lined up. This is right at the corner. You know what I'm saying? Here, I'll hold this. Make sure that one is in line with it. Don't move the tool. Move the thing where. Stop pushing on it. Stop pushing on it. All right. Now I just want to double check.
I just hold it tight.
Just keep that from tipping over.
I hold this tight when you are like screwing something.
It's not bad.
Me or him?
You're gonna have to pay attention to what you're doing to get it on there. Put it here. Well, get it up on there.
Oh, should I still be videoing?
You're not supposed to talk about videoing while you're videoing. Should we stop videoing? Now hold yourself up, right?
Yeah, it doesn't hold anything else up.
All right, now let's put the bottom pieces across. Yeah, right down there. Except, hold it.
Maybe all the same
It could have died.
Does that go right there? You're not quite in the middle exactly, though. Again, you're further from the middle now. Go toward the middle.
Middle is.
We might have to cut it.
Okay.
Just don't screw into my hand. You want to know a special trick?
Yeah.
Take your whole thing, take your screw out, and just jab it in, and the point will go in. Yeah. Oh, just keep it lined up. Whoa, lined up, straight. Stop letting it. Yeah. You have to use your strength to hold it straight. That's why I always make you guys use screwdrivers before the power tools. All right, Chief, these boards, that's your lower deck.
Okay.
Go for it. Yeah. Got the screws? All right, I think that is it. Yeah, you guys have your table.
Yay.
Think you can put the other one together by yourselves?
No.
Ah, beauty. Now, where do they go? I think one's going over there and one over here. All right, you guys, clean up everything else so we have places to put your tables. Or you can just use the tables as Super Mario platforms.
Jaimie, can you tell her to get off my table?
All right, you guys, I know these are pirate ships now.
This
However,
wagon.
next time you guys want to build something, you've got tables.
Yay.
Do not go in here and destroy my thing, and I'm gonna clean up my zone, and you cannot destroy it again. You guys have your tables, you can destroy those, but preferably not.